Okay, this is Nifty 50 index and this is the chart. So before I go into this technical analysis part, I would like to explain a certain principle in wave theory. Suppose there are five, one, two, three, four, and 5. These are five waves. And in 50% cases, you see the extension in the third wave. One, two, three, four, and 5. I'll give it a different color. So the wave theory says whenever you have an extension in the third wave, the fourth wave will find support at this point, at the last extension of the third wave. So this is what the wave theory says. That the fourth wave will find support. It will correct to that much extent, at least. And this is the place where it will find support. There might be some less correction also. It might correct like this and go up. But this is general. In majority of the cases, you will find that it will find support at this extension. So using this principle and the principle of Fibonacci retracement, what I have done is I have analyzed the Nifty 50 chart. So now this is the chart of Nifty 50. I had marked the waves like this, 1, 2, and this is the third wave extension, and then there will be a fourth wave and fifth. So if this is the extension, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we are in the last wave. This is the fifth of the fifth wave is left. You see, one, you will see like this. One, two, three, four, and the fifth, last final wave is left. So I have taken a target of 18,709. Okay. And then I expect a correction, 38% correction, that is a Fibonacci retracement, and which is a general retracement at fourth wave. Fourth wave can even retrace to the extent of 61%. But minimum retracement should be 38%. This is my target, and this should find support somewhere here. Okay. So this is one analysis that Nifty should go to around 18,709 and then there should be a correction and it should fall to 17,991. This is one wave. The wave theory also talks about alternative count. Alternative count means that suppose you're counting there is some mistake, then you should also have an alternative count so that if this count doesn't work, then you should have another count to carry on, kind of a thing. Now, suppose I don't take this as a wave because this was a correction and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Suppose this is fifth wave, truncation happened. Then a new wave will start from this point 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so then in such case, wave 1 and wave 5 they should always be equal or they should be in the multiple of Fibonacci, that is they should be multiplied by 0.618. Whatever the ratio is, this first wave multiplied by 0.618 will give you wave 5 or multiplied by 1.618. I mean you keep on increasing the ratios. Okay, then we might have a small move. Then we might only have a small move and we will have a correction. We'll have a major correction that is around 61%, and this correction can go to 50% or 61%. So this is one wave count, one, two, three, four, and five. Here, if you take this wave count, then the five wave is up, and we will have a major correction. Why I'm keeping this count? I'm using the same principle. Here also, if you see, I will just show you something. If you see this third wave, one, two, then third wave extension, one, two, three, four, and five. So the third wave had extended, and fourth and five. And once the major correction took place, that is the fourth wave, it found support here. So I am also keeping this count in my mind that this might be the whole wave and there might be a truncation, and a new wave had started from this point. One, two, three, four, five. So once the corrections are over, then we can we will be in a position to say whether the wave count should be taken from this position or the wave count should be taken from this position. So I'm keeping both the counts in my mind, and there is a small move, very small move up left, and then there will be a major corrections. The corrections will tell whether this is the wave or it started from this place. Okay, so this is my analysis. There's a small move up, it's a very small move, because we are in the fifth of the fifth. Whether we take this count or we take the earlier count, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So that's all, and I'm just waiting, very eagerly waiting for these corrections to happen. And right now, my preferred count is this one, the first one. So I'm expecting a fifth wave, small move up, and then correction, 38% correction. If this is the way Nifty will, if this is the way things will play out, then we can mark the waves from this point itself. Okay, thank you.